Namaskar. Welcome back to Minute Channel 1. Many people are very much afraid of going to dentist. They have lots of dental problems and they don't know how to fix it. So today, I am going to talk about few main dental problems and how to fix it. Problem number 1 is toothache. Toothache can be because of many reasons. One is the tooth decay or cavity, which can lead to pulpitis. Pulpitis is inflammation of the dental pulp, which is inside of the tooth. This can be because of bacterial infection or because of repeated and long exposure to hot, cold, or sweet things. The bacteria in our mouth, they just love sugar and they produce acid, and that's how the decay happens. And when the decay reaches the inner part of the tooth, which is called as pulp, then there will be severe pain. That's called as pulpitis. Second reason for toothache can be cracked tooth or fractured tooth. This can happen because of heavy biting on hard things like bones or nut or ice or any hard sweet or chocolate. This kind of trauma can cause the tooth to fracture and you will have pain. Third reason can be your wisdom tooth. The last tooth at the corner, it has not erupted properly and it is giving you pain. It can also cause pain to your adjacent teeth. Fourth reason can be the gum problem. You might have gum swelling or gum bleeding. This can also cause pain. Fifth reason can be your old filling, which has been there for a long time and it needs a replacement because it is not there properly. These are some of the common reasons for toothache. So what to do for toothache? First thing you can do is rinse your mouth with warm water. If you are in a situation where you cannot get warm water, then just use the water which is available. Rinse your mouth with that water and see if it gives you some relief. Second thing you can do is use salt water. Salt water has got some antiseptic property. It will help you. Dissolve half teaspoon of salt in 1 glass of water and rinse your mouth with that water. You can also do this thing. Crush some mint leaves and add a little bit of salt in it and make a paste and apply it on your tooth, which is aching. If you have a tooth cavity, you should visit your dentist. Your dentist will examine it, and if it is small cavity, he might do a filling. If it is large cavity, there is severe pain and swelling, then dentist may do a root canal treatment for you. Second problem is bad breath. Bad breath can be because of many reasons. One is the food which you eat. Certain food like onion, garlic, they cause bad breath. Second reason can be the gum disease. Third reason can be your dry mouth. If you don't have enough saliva in your mouth, then you'll have bad breath. Fourth reason can be the tongue coating. You have a white or a yellowish coating on your tongue. Fifth reason can be the tobacco habits or alcohol habits. These are some of the common causes for the bad breath. If you want to tackle this problem, first thing you can do is start brushing twice and flossing once. Clean your tongue also with a tongue scraper. Don't forget to clean your teeth before eating and after eating. Drink enough water. Chew sugar-free gum. These are the things which will help you. Third problem is sensitivity. Teeth sensitivity can be because of many reasons. One is the enamel erosion. Enamel is the outer protective layer of your tooth. If this is eroded, you will have sensitivity. Second reason can be because of gum recession. When gums are pulled away from the tooth, it exposes the dentin, which is the inner layer of the tooth, and this can cause sensitivity. Third reason can be because of your old filling. Old filling can cause micro leaks in your tooth, and this can cause sensitivity. Fourth reason can be because of bruxism. Bruxism is a condition where you grind and you clench your teeth. This can cause sensitivity. So what to do for sensitivity? First thing you can do is start brushing with soft bristled brush. Use a toothpaste which has got fluoride and use it for 2 minutes. If your sensitivity is because of old filling. You should get it replaced. Get it done from your dentist. I know many people, they are very much afraid of going to dentist. They have lots of dental problems and they don't know how to fix it. So today, I have given you some of the common problems and how to fix it. Take care. If you like my content, please like, subscribe, and share.